Think of a workspace in Adzviser as a folder in your file system. A workspace helps you to organize them in a very direct and convenient way. Hi, I'm Gu, the founder of Adzviser, and in this video, I will briefly talk about what a workspace in Adzviser is and how to create a workspace. So think of a workspace in Adzviser as a folder in your file system. It's basically a way for marketers to organize their accounts from different sources. In a lot of cases, when a marketer manages multiple accounts for multiple clients, a workspace helps you to organize them in a very direct and convenient way. So for example, if we have a client like Nike, and Nike has multiple accounts of different sources. They have Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Google Analytics, and et cetera, you can create a workspace named Nike and connect multiple data sources to it. This is the whole essence of a workspace in Adzviser. And there are two caveats of a workspace in Adzviser. So first of all, you can connect multiple accounts of different sources in a workspace. As just mentioned, you can connect a Google Analytics account. You can connect a Google Ads account into the same workspace. However, you cannot connect two Google Ads accounts in one single workspace in Adzviser. All right, so I'm going to walk you through how to create a workspace and connect your data sources to it. So I'm on the test account, and let's check out the subscription first. So currently, I'm subscribing a 2 data source monthly plan. And this means that I can create as many workspaces as I want, unlimited number of workspaces. I can connect unlimited accounts as I want. And I can connect to up to 2 data sources for my current subscription plan. Okay, so let's go through what is going on. So first of all, let's add a new workspace. And for the demonstration, let's do Google Ads. So when you are in this step, make sure that you are choosing the right Google account under which you manage your Google Ads. So I'm going to sign in with this. Click Allow. It says, hey, we're asking to basically see your Google Ads data. Click Allow. And soon you will see a list of accounts under that Google account that I just authorized. And this is the list of Google Ads accounts that I manage. Sometimes when you don't see this list of accounts, it's probably due to the fact that you signed in the wrong Google account. So try to sign in the Google account that you manage your Google Ads. This is important because there have been lots of customers who weren't able to connect Google Ads accounts to their workspaces. So we have so far selected Adzviser Prod to our workspace. And it says that, hey, you have successfully connected to one data source. You can connect to one more data sources. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to connect to Facebook Ads right now. Okay. So continue as it would go. Okay, I'm going to connect my Facebook Ads account. Now I have reached the cap of number of data sources that I can create. So I'm going to name this workspace as Demo. And please note that when you are adding a new workspace, you can still add the Google Ads and Facebook Ads accounts, but it's limited to these 2 data sources because of the fact that you have already connected to 2 data sources previously. So that's why. Okay, so after that, you can choose to analyze your data from 2 destinations, either ChatGPT or Google Sheets add-on. This will wrap up this tutorial of what a workspace is and how to create a workspace. Thank you. I hope you find this video helpful, and we'll see you soon in the next episode.